let's talk about a true culinary superstar, garlic. Though it may look unassuming, this small bulb has a mighty presence in kitchens all over the world. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, chances are you've reached for garlic more times than you can count. Its unmistakable aroma fills the air, promising a meal that's rich, bold, and unforgettable. This humble bulb, with its pungent aroma and powerful flavor, is a cornerstone of global cuisine. From Indian curries to Italian pasta sauces, from the heart of Mediterranean kitchens to the bustling streets of Asia, garlic is everywhere. It's the secret behind so many iconic dishes, lending depth and complexity to recipes that have been passed down for generations. And in Chinese, stir-fries, Middle Eastern dips, or even a simple slice of garlic bread, it transforms ordinary ingredients into something extraordinary. The moment garlic hits a hot pan, it releases a fragrance that signals the start of something delicious. It's a universal language of flavor, instantly recognizable and deeply comforting. But garlic's story doesn't begin in the kitchen. Its journey from a tiny clove in the earth to your table is a fascinating tale of agriculture, technology, and tradition. Each bulb starts as a single clove, carefully planted by farmers who have perfected their craft over centuries. Fields of green shoots stretch across the landscape, tended by hands that know the rhythms of the land. Garlic is the secret weapon in a chef's arsenal, used to build layers of flavor and bring dishes to life. In professional kitchens, it's treated with respect, minced, crushed, roasted, or sautéed to unlock its full potential. Every chef has their own technique, but all agree, garlic is essential, and for home cooks, garlic is a comforting staple, always within reach in the pantry, or stored in a kitchen jar. It's the ingredient you turn to when you want to add warmth and depth to a family meal, or when you're experimenting with new recipes. But have you ever wondered where it all comes from? Behind every bulb is a story of hard work, patience, and innovation. Vast garlic farms stretch across continents, producing millions of bulbs each year to meet the world's appetite. The story of garlic is a global epic, spanning continents and involving millions of people and some incredibly clever machines. From hand harvesting in the fields to high-tech sorting lines in modern factories, garlic's journey is a blend of old and new. For centuries it's been revered, not just for its taste, but for its place in folklore and traditional medicine. Ancient civilizations believed garlic could ward off evil, heal wounds, and boost strength. Even today, many cultures use garlic for its health benefits, from boosting immunity to lowering cholesterol. In this exploration, we'll peel back the layers of the garlic industry, following its path from field to factory. We'll discover the people, the processes, and the passion that bring garlic from the soil to your kitchen. We'll see how time-honored farming practices blend with cutting-edge technology to bring garlic to your table. It's a story of tradition meeting innovation, of communities working together to feed the world. So next time you reach for a clove, remember the incredible journey it's taken. It's time to give garlic the attention it truly deserves. A humble hero, quietly transforming our meals and connecting cultures across the globe. The scale of global garlic production is staggering. Over 28 million tons are harvested each year. That's more than 4 million elephants worth of garlic. Garlic is grown in over 100 countries, fueling a multi-billion-dollar industry and providing livelihoods for millions. China dominates production, with India, Bangladesh, and Egypt also major players. Each region brings unique varieties and cultivation techniques, adding to garlic's diversity. Garlic is one of the world's most widely traded crops, shipped fresh or processed across continents daily. This global supply chain ensures garlic is always available, no matter where you live. Nearly 30 million tons produced annually, an agricultural marvel that starts with a single clove. Every garlic harvest begins with planting a single clove, no seeds required. Each clove is, in fact, a potential new bulb, carrying within it all the genetic material needed to grow a full head of garlic. This unique method of propagation has been used for centuries, connecting today's farmers with ancient agricultural traditions. Farmers carefully select the healthiest, largest cloves from mature bulbs, as quality at this stage determines the future crop. Only the best cloves are chosen, since weak or damaged ones can lead to poor yields or disease. This selection process is both an art and a science, requiring experience and a keen eye for detail. Garlic is typically planted in autumn, before the ground freezes. During the cold winter months, the cloves develop strong root systems beneath the soil, even when blanketed by snow. This period of dormancy is crucial, as it prepares the plant for vigorous growth in spring. Well-prepared, nutrient-rich soil is essential for healthy growth. Farmers often enrich the earth with compost or organic matter, ensuring the soil is loose, well-drained, and full of nutrients. Proper soil preparation helps garlic establish roots quickly and resist pests and diseases. On small farms, planting is done by hand, with each clove placed carefully into the earth at just the right depth and spacing. This hands-on approach allows for close attention to detail and a personal connection to the land. But most commercial garlic is planted using advanced seeding machines. These machines are designed to handle thousands of cloves efficiently, making large-scale planting possible. These machines create furrows, drop cloves at precise intervals, and cover them with soil, all in one pass. This precision ensures that each clove has the best chance to grow into a healthy bulb. This automation allows vast fields to be planted quickly and efficiently, saving time and labor while increasing productivity. It's a remarkable blend of tradition and technology. Each clove is given the space and conditions it needs to thrive, with careful attention to row spacing and planting depth. This careful planning is key to a successful harvest. The foundation for a massive harvest is laid in just a fraction of the time it once took, thanks to these modern methods. Fields that once took days to plant can now be completed in hours. Modern technology ensures consistency and scale in garlic farming, helping to meet the world's growing demand for this essential crop while preserving the quality and tradition of garlic cultivation. Once planted, garlic requires months of patient care. The clove develops roots, then sends up green shoots as spring arrives. Leaves photosynthesize, fueling the growth of the bulb underground. Garlic is drought-tolerant but needs occasional watering, especially during dry spells. Farmers carefully balance moisture to avoid rot and disease. Weeds are managed with mulch, cultivation tools, or selective herbicides to prevent competition for resources. Vigilance against pests and diseases is crucial. Farmers inspect fields regularly and use integrated pest management. Healthy plants channel energy into producing large, flavorful bulbs. Consistent care ensures a high-quality, abundant harvest. After months of growth, it's time to harvest. Timing is everything. Too early and bulbs are small. Too late and they split, reducing quality. Farmers watch for yellowing leaves and softening stalks as harvest signals. On small farms, garlic is gently dug up by hand to avoid damage. Large-scale farms rely on specialized machines that lift bulbs from the soil and collect them efficiently. Advanced harvesters dig, lift, and convey garlic into bins or trucks in a single pass. Mechanization allows vast fields to be cleared in days, not weeks. Gentle handling ensures bulbs remain intact and ready for the next stage. The harvest is a race against time and weather. Only the best bulbs move forward for processing. Freshly harvested garlic heads to the factory for cleaning and sorting. Bulbs arrive covered in soil and are tipped onto conveyor belts for inspection. Workers and machines remove outer skins, dirt, and damaged bulbs. Bulbs are sorted by size for different markets or processing needs. Some garlic is destined to be sold as peeled cloves. Machines break bulbs into cloves, then use vibration and friction to remove skins efficiently. Cloves are inspected again, with any imperfect ones removed. Air jets and water sprays ensure the final product is spotless. This multi-step process guarantees clean, high-quality garlic for consumers and manufacturers. From field to factory, quality control is paramount. Factories transform garlic into a variety of convenient products. Roasted garlic is made by sending peeled cloves through industrial roasters, creating a sweet, mellow flavor. Garlic powder and granules are produced by dehydrating and grinding cloves. Garlic paste blends fresh cloves with oil or water for instant use. These products extend shelf life and reduce waste by using garlic not suitable for wholesale. Processed garlic is easy to transport, store, and use. Perfect for busy kitchens. Innovation ensures garlic's flavor is always within reach, in countless forms. From oils to pickles, garlic's versatility shines in every aisle. Garlic is more than just an ingredient. It's a cultural and economic force that has shaped societies for centuries. Across continents and generations, garlic has found its way into the heart of kitchens, rituals, and economies, leaving a lasting impact wherever it grows. Its unmistakable aroma and bold flavor are central to countless dishes and cherished traditions worldwide. Whether it's being sautéed in a family kitchen or blended into a chef's signature recipe, garlic brings people together, sparking memories and creating bonds over shared meals. Garlic supports millions of livelihoods, from dedicated farmers tending their fields to skilled factory workers processing bulbs and global traders moving garlic across borders. Its cultivation and trade are vital to rural economies and international commerce alike. The journey of garlic from farm to table creates jobs, sustains families, and connects communities both large and small. Every step, from planning to packing, is a testament to the hard work and collaboration of countless individuals. Folklore and tradition have long celebrated garlic for its strength, healing properties, and protective powers. Ancient stories and festivals honor garlic as a symbol of resilience and good fortune, weaving it into the fabric of cultural identity. Even today, garlic remains a symbol of health and heritage in many cultures. It's used in traditional remedies, featured in cultural exhibits, and passed down through generations as a treasured part of family history. The story of garlic is a testament to human ingenuity, adaptability, and global cooperation. From small farms to international markets, people work together to bring this humble bulb to tables around the world. From a single clove planted in the soil to a staple ingredient in kitchens everywhere, garlic's journey's nothing short of remarkable. Its versatility and enduring appeal make it a beloved part of daily life. Garlic is a thread that weaves through cultures, economies, and histories, connecting people across borders and generations. It's a symbol of unity, resilience, and shared humanity. In every corner of the globe, garlic truly unites the world, one delicious meal at a time, reminding us that something as simple as a clove can bring us all together.